The upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is already creating excitement, even though official information is still very limited. The first teaser from DJI kept things simple, using the phrase, "the world in my pocket." While it didn't reveal much visually, it clearly confirmed one important detail. The device will be officially unveiled on April 16, 2026 at 12 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Based on how DJI is promoting it across multiple platforms, this looks like a worldwide launch rather than a China-only release first. The second teaser shifts attention towards slow-motion performance. One interesting detail in the teaser is a subtle visual hint suggesting a wider frame. This could mean DJI is moving toward using more of the camera's sensor instead of sticking to a standard 16:9 crop. If that's true, it would give users more flexibility when editing, allowing them to switch between horizontal, vertical, or even custom aspect ratios after recording. The camera is still expected to use a 1-inch sensor, so it won't be fully square, but there should be enough extra space for comfortable vertical cropping, something content creators will definitely appreciate. However, the Pocket 4 is expected to take things even further. According to leaks, it might support 4K recording at 240 frames per second, although this hasn't been officially confirmed yet. The teaser visuals seem to support this idea, hinting at smoother and more detailed slow-motion footage. If DJI is able to use close to the full sensor for high frame rate recording, it could lead to better image quality and more flexibility. There's also speculation that 1080p slow motion could go beyond 240 frames per second, possibly reaching around 480 frames per second. That said, there are real-world limitations to consider. A compact camera like this has to deal with heat buildup, processing power limits, and storage speed. These factors often force manufacturers to limit performance to keep the device stable and reliable. Because of this, even if 4K at 240 frames per second is included, it might not use the full sensor. DJI could rely on cropping or line skipping techniques to achieve those frame rates. In that case, improvements in 1080p slow motion might be more modest rather than a huge leap. It's also possible DJI will prioritize consistent performance over pushing extreme specs. For now, most of the details come from teasers and leaks, so nothing beyond this is officially confirmed. Still, the early signs suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could bring meaningful upgrades, especially for creators who rely on portability, flexibility, and high-quality video in a small form factor. Adding even more fuel to the hype, well-known DJI leaker Igor Bogdanov has now shared several high-quality images of the upcoming Pocket 4, giving us our clearest look yet at the device and its accessories. From the leaked renders, the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to retain DJI's familiar compact gimbal camera design, but with some notable hardware refinements. The front image reveals a redesigned control layout featuring what looks like a dedicated zoom joystick, a customizable C button, and an improved button arrangement for more professional manual control. This suggests DJI is targeting advanced creators who want faster access to settings while filming. Another leaked image shows the expected in-box accessories, including a carrying pouch, wrist strap, USB-C adapter, and protective mount, indicating DJI may be bundling a more complete standard package this time around. Perhaps the most interesting leak is the new magnetic accessory attachment system shown in the third image. It appears to support a modular smart fill light or other snap-on accessories, hinting that DJI is expanding the Pocket ecosystem with more creator-focused add-ons than ever before. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade rather than a simple refresh. Between the official teaser confirmation and Igor's leaked images, everything points toward improved controls, smarter modularity, and a more pro-level user experience. Now the big question is, will the Pocket 4 be powerful enough to make current Pocket 3 owners upgrade? And based on the leaks so far, the Pocket 4 looks like a meaningful upgrade rather than a minor refresh. The new controls, magnetic accessory system, and likely imaging improvements could make it very tempting for current Pocket 3 users. But whether it's worth upgrading will depend on how much DJI improves real-world video quality and performance at launch. According to a leaked unboxing video, the biggest external changes are the addition of 2 dedicated physical buttons. The first is a new zoom button, giving users much more precise and smoother zoom control without needing to rely on the tiny on-screen zoom slider. This should make it far easier to adjust framing while recording, especially in fast-moving situations where touchscreen controls can slow you down. The second addition is a customizable C button, with the C standing for custom rather than center. This button can reportedly be assigned to different user-selected functions, such as switching between gimbal modes, enabling pro video settings, adjusting audio options, or activating other quick shortcuts. For creators who need to change settings rapidly while shooting, this could dramatically improve workflow and responsiveness. Another major highlight is the new magnetic attachment system built into the rear of the gimbal head. DJI is currently using this magnetic mount for a modular fill light, but the design suggests the company may be planning a larger ecosystem of magnetic accessories. Future add-ons could include compact shotgun microphones, extra lighting modules, or other creator-focused tools that snap directly onto the camera. Leaks also suggest the DJI Mic 3 may be bundled with some versions of the Pocket 4, further boosting its appeal for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. While these upgrades may not reinvent the Pocket lineup, they show DJI is focusing on practical improvements that enhance speed, convenience, and creative flexibility. With a rumored China launch on April 16th and global release expected soon after, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become DJI's most creator-focused pocket camera yet. DJI finally seems to be addressing that pain point in a smart, modular way. DJI is also redesigning the protective case. The new Pocket 4 case is smaller and more compact than the one included with the Pocket 3. While a smaller case sounds nice for portability, many users will be hoping this redesign also fixes one common complaint from Pocket 3 owners: the tendency for the cover to slip off too easily. Smaller is great, but only if it's actually more secure. Internally, the Osmo Pocket 4 looks set to deliver some major improvements as well. Leaks suggest it will come with 107 gigabytes of built-in internal storage, which means many users may not need to worry about carrying micro SD cards as often. That's a substantial amount of onboard storage for a device this small, and should appeal to travel creators and casual users alike. Even more impressive is the rumored 14 stops of dynamic range. If accurate, this would give the Pocket 4 much better control over highlights and shadows, allowing it to retain more detail in difficult lighting situations. For creators shooting sunsets, city lights, backlit scenes, or high-contrast environments, this could be one of the most meaningful upgrades. But perhaps the most surprising part of the leak is the audio setup. According to the unboxing video, DJI may be including the DJI Mic 3 directly in the standard retail box. That's a huge shift from previous generations, where premium accessories like wireless microphones were usually reserved for the separate Creator Combo package. Interestingly, the leaked packaging doesn't mention Creator Combo branding at all. So what does that mean? DJI may be moving toward a new strategy, offering a single premium version of the Osmo Pocket 4 with Pro Audio included by default. If true, that would simplify the buying process and make the Pocket 4 a far more complete content creation package straight out of the box. Considering how popular the Pocket 3 Creator Combo has been, and how often it sells out, this move would make a lot of sense. As for launch timing, the leak suggests DJI may release the Osmo Pocket 4 earlier than expected, with an April 16th launch date now rumored for China. Previous reports had pointed to April 20th, while US availability is still rumored for late April. Either way, we likely won't have to wait much longer. Now let's talk price. A supplier in Guangzhou has reportedly opened pre-sales for the Pocket 4, listing it at €420.47, or roughly $455 US. But before you panic, that price reportedly applies only to bulk orders of at least 2 units, meaning it may not reflect final retail pricing. So the actual official price could still change, and depending on DJI's strategy, it could launch higher, or possibly even lower in some regions. Which raises another question. What price do you think DJI should launch the Pocket 4 at? Would $449 be fair? Or does it need to stay under $400 to be competitive? So the big question is, has DJI done enough with the Pocket 4, or were you hoping for a bigger upgrade over the Pocket 3? Let me know, because this might be one of DJI's smartest upgrades yet, or its safest. Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious where people stand on that.